How to fix paragraph spacing in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can manage your spacing, like paragraph spacing or line spacing. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs and I have some content. Okay, so I just make it perfect to show you. Okay, so here I got the contains. Okay, so I want to change my paragraph spacing, so there is a one option you can use. Okay, just select that content, or you can select all, like by pressing Ctrl plus A, and here you can see option that paragraph and line spacing. Okay, if you don't find this option here, we need to go in format, and here you can see that option. Okay, so here you can add the space after paragraphs, or you can also remove the space before paragraphs, and it will be removed. And you can go for custom spacing, and here you can use the spacing, paragraph spacing, and you can make after before spacing here. Okay, you can make after 5 and before 5. Okay, you can just customize the spacing from here, and there is lots of option you can use as per your requirement. You can also use the line spacing, like 1.5, 1.15, 5, or you can make double spacing, same as you can go for the custom line spacing here. Okay, now that is 2 now. Okay, I have to make at least 1. Okay, so it is done. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.